Hi, good morning. Indira Shah here. Today I'll be preparing South Indian variety of poha, that is avlaki. Okay, for this we take here the thick avlaki. Okay, so that we should wash it twice and soak just for few seconds. And in a basin or in a broad thali, I have taken tamarind paste, the required tamarind paste. Okay, now let me just squeeze the poha and add it to the tamarind paste. Okay, now mix it. I have squeezed all the poha and added to the tamarind paste. Now add hing, required hing, that is asafoetida, and haldi, and salt, required salt. Now add jaggery also. Okay, now mix it and keep it for about 15 minutes. Let everything get coated to the poha or avlaki or aval. This is the thick aval, not the thin one. You get a special thick aval, avlaki. Okay. Now keep it for about 20 minutes. I'll come back to you. In the meantime, let me take a few green chilies. I've taken around 6 green chilies and little coconut. Okay, this is fresh coconut, not the dry coconut. You have to dry grind them. Do not add water. Okay, just dry grind them and keep it. Okay, now it's 20 minutes over. Now for tadka, I have taken coconut oil. Coconut oil tastes more better. Okay, I have taken about 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil. Let it become hot. And here, this is the paste, the dry paste of coconut and green chili. You add whatever necessary, okay? Whatever is required. I have already added asafoetida, salt and turmeric into this poha. This is the washed thick poha, washed and soaked in tamarind water. The tamarind syrup in fact. So I'm adding a spoon of mustard. The mustard is about to splutter. Now add chana dal, about 1 spoon of chana dal. Allow it to become pink. You can add cashew nuts or I'll be adding groundnut seeds. Now this is becoming light pink. Now add groundnut seeds. Now I'll be adding curry leaves. Let the groundnut become little more pink. Then add this poha. Just give a thorough mix. You try this, really this will taste very good. Very easy to digest. Poha is very easy to digest, good for children also. In the meantime, I'll show you how to make decoction coffee, the South Indian Brahmin decoction coffee. Okay, you get this kind of decoction filter. Okay, this is one with hole. This is one with hole. This is without hole. The one without hole, you should keep it at the bottom and fix this on the top because the decoction will get settled at the bottom. You get a special coffee powder for decoction. It's not a brew, instant brew or whatever it is. Okay, you should ask for coffee powder for decoction. Okay, I am taking about 4 spoons. This is boiling water. Okay, pour the boiling water to fill this. Yeah, pour it. Now cover it. Okay, now give a slight tap. Just slight tap. Now the decoction will get settled here. Okay, so let me keep it. Now this is over. At this point I'll be adding the coconut, dry coconut and chili. Yeah. Let me add another 2 spoons. This will certainly taste very yum. My mother used to make this so tasty. I still remember the taste still lingers on my tongue. Now you can put off the stove. I'll come back to you once I put it on the serving bowl. Now this is very hot. I'll just remove and keep it here. See, this is the decoction. Yeah, this is the decoction. Okay. This is the glass in which I usually drink, the brass glass. So now let me add quarter decoction. I need strong coffee. Okay, and this is just boiled milk, just boiled. Let me pour some more decoction because I told you I need sugarless strong coffee. Okay, now what you do is here. This should be foamy. Do you know why the coffee will always have foam on the top? Usually we drink coffee very hot. So whenever there's a foam on top, the heat doesn't go out. It doesn't get escaped. That is the reason it should be foamy. And I like foamy coffee. Now the decoction coffee is ready. If you want, you can add sugar. Okay, this is how we drink. The coffee is ready and the poha is ready. So this is a very good combination. Poha with coffee, or coffee with anything is a good combination. And thank you for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, Please subscribe it. Thank you very much. With the camera person, Vela.